Oh my gosh, the anticipation. It's got another lovely little label that's going to help me out here. So the packing is really important because it helps to keep the object safe. And we use acid-free tissue paper because it's going to protect the objects. It's not going to off-gas with anything that might cause any damage. Obviously also we want everything well padded because we want to make sure that nothing's going to get broken while it's in storage. So this one is another little jug. I'm not sure I can confidently stand this one up actually. It's a little bit earlier, rather than archaic in date, this one is geometric, so a little bit earlier, more like 850 to 750, so the period just before this one there. It's got quite different decoration. So it's got bands around the neck and then sort of cross hatching across the body, and you can see too that this one has picked up sort of encrustations, which is basically from age essentially. But everything that you're looking at here would have been thrown on a wheel. It's got a hole in the bottom. I don't know why. So that's not going to hold liquid terribly well. I think this hole has probably been drilled in at some point in its nearer history because this is glue. So probably this is where in a previous life, in a previous collection, this has been attached to a base. That's what this hole is. Ah, this is the glue here, this brown stuff.